In this lecture, we'll be taking a look at transition classes. So this lecture will be more of a theory, and the next one will be exploring what we have learned in this one. So there are 6 classes which are applied whenever enter-leave transitions take place. First one being the vEnter, which is applied at the starting state for enter, and it's added before element is inserted, removed one frame after element is inserted. Then we have vEnter active class, active state for enter, and it's applied during the entire entering phase, added before element is inserted, removed when transition or animation finishes. This class can be used to define the duration, delay, and easing curve for the entering transition. Then we have vEnter2, which is only available in versions greater than 2.1.8. And its ending state for enter, added one frame after element is inserted. At the same time, vEnter is removed when transition or animation finishes. Then we have vLeave, starting state for leave, added immediately when a leaving transition is triggered, removed after one frame. Then we have vLeave active, active state for leave, applied during the entire leaving phase, added immediately when leave transition is triggered, removed when the transition animation finishes. This class can be used to define the duration, delay, and easing curve for the leaving transition. The last one we have is vLeave2, which is again only available in versions greater than 2.1.8. Ending state for leave, added one frame after a leaving transition is triggered. At the same time, vLeave is removed when the transition animation finishes. So here you can see that we have vEnter active. So on enter we have vEnter, then vEnter2. So the opacity changes from opacity 0 to opacity 1. Similarly, we have leave. So we have vLeave active, which includes vLeave to vLeave2. Each of these classes will be prefixed with the name of the transition. Here, v prefix is the default when you use transition element with no name. If you use transition name as, for instance, my transition, then the vEnter class would instead be my transition enter. vEnter active and vLeave active gives you the ability to specify different easing curves for enter, leaves, transition, which we will be exploring in the next lecture.